In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi connected but no internet problem on your Samsung device. If this helped you out, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe. It really supports the channel. Now, first fix is check your VPN settings. First, open your settings and go to connection. Scroll down and tap more connection settings. Inside here, look for VPN. Make sure your device isn't connected to any VPN. If a VPN is active, turn it off or remove it completely. Now go back and check if your internet is working. Next, you need to go back to settings, scroll down and open general management. Tap on date and time. If you can't find it, just use the search icon at the top and type date and time. Make sure automatic date and time is enabled. Incorrect time settings can sometimes block internet access. Fix 3 is forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. Now return to the main connection page. Tap Wi-Fi and find your Wi-Fi network and tap the gear icon next to it. Select forget, then reconnect to the same network by tapping it again and entering your password. This refreshes the connection and often fixes the issue. Now, if the problem continues, try a quick restart. Hold down the side button, tap restart and confirm. Once your phone reboots, check the Wi-Fi again. If nothing has worked so far, the issue might be with your router. Turn it off and back on and make sure all cables are connected properly. Once the router restarts, try reconnecting again. Hopefully, one of these fixes solve the Wi-Fi connected but no internet issue on your Samsung device. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.